Hello, fellow creatives. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be going over one of my favorite features in Rebel 5 Pro tutorial. And so, just want to introduce you to reference images. And reference images are so cool that you can add more than one reference image at a time to work from. So you'll be able to sample different colors and work from different angles as well. So let me show you how to access reference images. First, we go to Windows, and down here you'll find reference images, or you can also put the shortcut Control Shift R, and so you'll see this dialog box come up. Let me bring it out just like this. And to add reference images, we're going to click import new reference image, and so we can go to wherever our reference images are saved, and so we can highlight one or all three or any amount you want, and you click open. So there we have it, reference images. So right now they're on lock, so let's just click the eye tool right here, and there we have it, reference image 1. And let's click the eye tool again, and then another one, and let's click the eye tool again. There we have it, all three reference images all laid out here. And so this show hide reference images, we can click it to turn it off and turn it on again. So right now I have all three images. I can click the sample button here, the sample. So for example, I want this yellow, or hover over the color to sample. Alright, so I'll lay down this color here. Let me select oils and acrylic, lay down that color here, and say I'm going to sample this image. I can go to pick color and sample this gray here, and over this side I'll go and pick color again and sample the orange there. We can flip the image, flip vertical, and we can do a grayscale so we can see the values easier. So that's right there. And another thing, we can dot these on the side here for more convenience or easier to work with. You can hide them by collapsing the panel as well and work from one. Alright, so let me demonstrate how do you remove reference images. So in the reference images panel, you can click on the image and click remove image. Let me pull this out. Click on this, remove image. This is out here on dock panel, and stretch it. I can make it bigger by maximizing, minimizing. Alright, so there we go. So we can dot this panel here. We have two reference images. Let me import back this one. This one is what I'm working with currently, and click on the eye tool, wait for it to come up. Alright, so there we go, and I can add it here. Color picker, and so there we have it. So let me do a recap. Alright, to access reference image, we go to Windows, reference images, or the shortcut key Control Shift R, and We go to import new reference image, click on one image or all together, import. You can even import two images of the same at a time. And to show reference image, we click on the eye tool, the eye.txt. It will appear here. And to show or hide reference images, we come down to this eye tool right here, click on hide. Alright, so that's it for one of my favorite features in Rebelle 5, the reference image. And this is a feature I really love. It's so cool because you can add multiple images on the screen at once. And thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in the next one.